The last part of our lesson will be about plotting real numbers. Real numbers is represented by what we call as a number line. This is what a number line looks like. So if you see here, if you notice, natay line diri with calibration in which kada usa ka naibadlis din is with a corresponding number to it. Now, and another to notice are the two arrows on both sides of the line. So these arrows indicates continuity on each end of our line. So meaning from here, so kani siyang arrow din indicates that our number continues infinitely to the right direction. And this, on the other hand, continues to the left direction. Now, natay what we call as a zero, or gitawag nato na siya o starting point. Now, from 0 to the right, if you notice, from 0 to the right, these are all positive numbers. Meaning, kana siya from 0 to right, tanan nga number din are all positive in increasing value or increasing diha ang pattern sa atong number. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since this has an arrow indicating continuity, magpadayon na si din bisag wala na nabutang diha 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until positive infinity. When we say infinity, we do not know where it ends. Basta nag-continue lang ng number din And from 0 to the left, if you notice, this is negative. So, kani sila, these are all negative numbers in decreasing manner. Kani din hiya 1, 2, 3, di ba? Kay bauta, si 1 is less than 2, si 2 is less than 3, si 4 is less than 3, si 4 is greater than 3, then si 4 is less than 5, and 5 is greater than 4. So, nag-anam og ka, dako ang iyang value. On the other hand, diri sa pikas, kani si negative 1 is greater than negative 2. Si negative 2 is greater than negative 3. Pag naanay negative nga sign, the larger the value of our number, not the value, the larger the number it appears, basta kay na negative, the lesser the value of it. Kay negative naman. So, muna nga, from 0, it is in decreasing manner. And still, the same, sa pareha, ganina, kana siya nag-continue to the left direction until negative infinity. So, this is what a number line all about. Now, when we say plotting, it also refers to the word graphing. Meaning, graphing, you put the value of the real numbers on the number line. Now, if you notice, ang atuan lang nabutang diri nga mga numbers are all integers, negative, 0, and positive. However, ang kani siya nga kanang number line includes all the real numbers. In between of these numbers, kana sa integers, naatay daghan pa diha nga point. Bisan og representation man lang na. So, counted gihapon in between. Like, in between of 0 and 1, there is 0.5, 0.1, 0.75, 0.3333, and so on. So, daghan yung mga numbers diha, or you can have 1/2, 1/3. In between of 3 and 4, there is still 3.1, 3.2, hangtod sa 3.9 before 4. Or you can have 3.5, 3 and 1/3, 3 and 1/4. So, though ang atong makitaan din are only integers, but again, this number line contains all the real numbers in general. Now, notice the 2 points provided. Kani siya nga mga points. Kani siya nga points, ang iyang tungod is negative 5. Meaning, this point has the value of negative 5 or corresponding point. And this point is positive 5. So that is what we call as plotting. Okay, so you may understand. Let's take the following for examples. Plot the following points. So we have here a number to indicate para di ta magkalibog asa ana this point para di ta magjama-jama. Ato ang butangan og letters to indicate the correspondence of a point and the numbers. Let's say for example, si letter A is negative 2. So you write a point. Okay, kita mato na ay point din ha tungod ni negative 2. And you mark it with A. Okay? So, meaning si A, negative 2 ra gyud na siya. Walay laing number ana. And so, si B is 0.8. So, wala lang na siya miabot og 1. Therefore, si 0.8 is in between 0 and 1. But more than katunga. So, ato na siya ibutan diri a. Okay? By the way, medyo dagko lang na akong ibutan niya nga point, but the point does not need to be that big, ha? Pwede ra mo makasuwat ana og ginagmay lang as long as maklaro. Dili po nang naingon og kay nang tungaw kagamyon, nga di maklaro. So at least maklaro pero dili gyud ingan ana kadakon. So 0.8, so that is there, and let's mark it with B. Then the letter C is 2.5, duha og tunga. So, positive man. So, dirita positive 2. Tapos, katunga. So, there. And then, mark it with C. Si D, we have negative 3. So, ari punta sa left side na sa 0. So, negative 3 is here. Na may 0.77. So, mulapas din ha. So, like that. And then, negative 3 is point D. So, you write D. And then letter E, it's pi. Pi is 3.1415 and so on. Okay? So, 3, positive 3, 3 diriya, kapin tagamay. Okay? So, that is letter E. And lastly, we have square root of 16. So, we know that square root of 16 is 4. So, you write 0.4 here. Okay? And then mark it with F. So, that's simple. Ingon ana lang ang pagplot sa real numbers. So, I hope nga nasabtan ninyo how to plot the real numbers. If in case nga medyo libog ba, you may review, you may watch the video again. And if dili pa gyud gihapon makasabot, you may ask me as well sa PM, clarification, question. And then, or pwede po mo magagamit sa akong contact number in case wala mo'y kaya na ang signal or sa ba, internet access, I mean. So, that would be all for our lesson, and I hope you're going to enjoy answering our activities. Thank you.